What's up guys, I flew to the UK to be at Goodwood Festival of Speed, and this retro inspired Alpine caught my attention. Now if you don't know what Alpine is, it's a sub-brand of Renault that is focused on racing, and there's a lot of things that kind of throw back to the racing history in this car. Number one being these really cool headlights. So when they used to race, they would have to put tape over the lights so that the glass wouldn't smash and go into the racetrack and damage the wheels. So this is exactly why we have X's on the side. What's really cool is how driver-centric it is. It's very focused on the driver, so much that there's a red line going straight across the car. But not only that, the driver's seat is dead center in the middle. Check this out. Ocon, representing Esteban Ocon. And on this side, we have Gasly, and that's for Pierre Gasly. And these are the two F1 drivers for Alpine. And around the car, there's details of forged carbon. There's accents of blue that go all around the car. And this is to show that it's environmentally friendly. And that's because it's fully electric. So we have a hint of blue going all the way around the wheels with the blue center lock. We have a backwards Alpine logo. Normally it's pointing this way, but they want to show that they're moving forward into the future. So we're going forward. The color scheme of the car is white representing the snow, blue representing the environment, and red representing race. But coming together, they represent the French flag because Alpine is a French brand. And talking about white, we have our triangle details all along the window, and that's to represent the Alps. Alpine, Alps, makes sense. Check this out. So because the car's electric, it obviously doesn't need exhaust, but the head guy at Renault thought it would look really cool if a car had fans as exhausts. So as an inside joke, they put them on there. So what I love is it doesn't matter what side you get into this car as a driver, and I'll show you why in a second. But this is how you open the car. Hand goes under and you lift it up. Pops open. Check this out. There is 3 seats, and the driver is literally the center seat in the car with 2 passengers, and the passengers aren't even behind the driver, they're next to him, which is crazy. Let me see if I can get in. Here we go. Gotta get my foot around the parking brake. What I love is it doesn't matter what side you get into this car as a driver. So I was wrong. There is a correct side to get into this car, and it's clearly not this side because there's a massive handbrake. I take my words back. Oh, so much easier. So we've got 3 seats. Driver is absolutely in the center, and it feels like you've just got your buddies just chilling with you on the side. The passengers get carbon fiber bucket seats, and the driver's got like this really funky reflective sparkle seat, and it's really comfy. Poor passengers, they've just got the carbon fiber. Driver's all good. We've got our racing steering wheel with our handbrake that's made for drifting. Lock up the back tires. Steering wheel has a screen on it. I'm gonna turn it on. You ready? Flick number 1. And check this out. Our Alpine. This is our battery. So we'll go into ready to move mode, button number 2. So buttons on the steering wheel, we've got our pit. So this is if you go into a pit lane once you're racing, it automatically caps your speed at 60 kilometers per hour, which means you can't go any faster. We've got drive and neutral. This is everything that you guys have. Drive and neutral and our parking brake. Check this out. Blue light. And up here, pink. Going all the way back. If anything crazy happens on the racetrack, you press this number 9, and that's our extinguisher. Now I kind of want to do this just for fun, because where the water comes out of is this kind of sprays. There's different modes, so you've got wet mode, you've got full mode, which the driver was telling me they used that on the track today, full power. Now let's go see this car drive.